Hello everyone, good morning, afternoon or evening depending upon the time and time zone you are watching this video from. I'm Gautam, academic faculty, Department of Data Science, Uncodemy group. So guys, in today's video we are gonna understand what should be our approach to learn SQL in a very short time. So let us say if there is one or like any student who has an interview aligned and he or she cannot invest much time in order to learn entire SQL. So these are the most important topics for SQL for data science or data analysis approach. So the very first thing that I'm gonna say is we are gonna understand the very first topic is basic SQL queries. So in basic SQL queries we have select, where, order by, having, limit, offset, these all. Then the second thing I would say is joins. In joins we all know we have 6 types. The first one is left join, then right join, then inner join, outer join, and the other joins that we have are self join and cross join. So the third most important topic I would say is window functions. Speaking of window functions, we have row number, rank, dense rank, lead, lag, these all. So window function are one of the very important topic that is gonna asked in all of the interviews for Python for SQL for data science or data analysis. Then other thing I would say is data filtering and sorting. In this we can learn the clauses like where, and, or, in, like, and between. So these are the important things that you must practice at least. The other thing I would say is set operations. So in set operations we have topics like union all, intersect, and except. So these are the basic set operations that one at least need to have a very fine idea about. Then other thing I would say is the approach is shifted towards data manipulation. So in data manipulation we have insert, update, delete, merge, etc. The other thing I would say is normalization and denormalization, and this is the part where we convert our data into first normalization form, 1NF, 2NF, 3NF, that we understand. Then the other thing I would say is the approach is shifted towards data analysis. In it we are going to focus more on group by, having, and pivoting data. So if you guys cannot invest like about a month or 1.5 month in order to learn SQL for data science, at least these are the important topic that you can master in about 3 days of regular practice. So if you feel like this video was informative, please let us know by liking this video, and if you guys have any doubt, please flood this comment section. We have excellent set of trainers over here, we have excellent set of counselors over here, so please do not hesitate to request a free demo session or a free career counseling session. The contact number would be provided at the end of this video. Stay tuned guys. Gautam signing off. May God bless you all.
For free career counseling or demo sessions, call or WhatsApp on this number